Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt like something's missing, but you don't know what? You don't need a 7-day makeover or a shopping spree. You just need 1 day, 24 hours, to become the cleanest, prettiest, most confident version of you. And if you watch this video till the end, trust me, you won't need to search for another glow-up video again. Let's get started. 1. Morning reset. When you wake up, open your windows and let the sun shine in. That's free vitamin D, and it boosts your mood, energy, and skin health. Trust me, a sun-kissed start sets the tone for the whole day. 2. Cold shower magic. A cold shower may sound scary, but it instantly wakes up your skin and improves circulation. After your shower, apply a soft body deodorant or body mist to feel fresh and smell amazing all day. 3. Lemon water plus ice plus rice. Mask hack. Hydrate from the inside with a glass of lemon water. It detoxifies your body and gives you a natural glow. For your face, rub an ice cube to depuff and tighten your skin. Then apply a DIY rice mask for that clear, glass skin effect. I've personally tried this rice mask, and trust me, the results are amazing. How to make it? Grab some rice, pour into a bowl, rinse it 2 times with water. Cook the rice until it becomes very soft. Put it in a mixer with a tiny bit of water and blend it. Add 1 teaspoon of honey done, apply a good amount to the skin, leave the mask on for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse. Your skin will thank you. 4. Ditch the glasses. Wearing glasses can sometimes hide your natural beauty. If possible, wear contact lenses for a cleaner, more open look. Your eyes deserve to shine. 5. Smooth hair with aloe vera. Take some aloe vera gel and apply it to your hair from roots to ends. Leave it in for 30 minutes before washing. It tames frizz and leaves your hair soft and healthy. 6. Tinted sunscreen trick. Instead of heavy foundation, use a tinted sunscreen. It gives you light coverage, protects your skin, and leaves a clean, smooth finish, perfect for glowing naturally. 7. Hairstyles. Based on face shape, the right hairstyle can change your entire vibe. Oval faces look good in curtain bangs or soft waves. Round faces pop with volume at the top, and square faces shine in loose curls or soft layers. Try a new style based on your face shape. You'll feel the difference. 8. Your smile is your superpower. Brush twice, clean your tongue, and floss if you can. A clean, fresh mouth lets you smile with confidence. And confidence is the real glow. 9. Outfit based on skin tone. Wearing colors that match your skin tone makes your whole look pop. Fair skin? Try pastels, baby pink, or sky blue. Medium skin? Olive, mustard, or navy are your best friends. Dark skin? Bold colors like wine, emerald, or white will make you shine. 10. Lips. Tired of dry, chapped lips? Mix sugar plus honey and scrub your lips gently. Rinse and apply lip balm. You'll have soft, pink lips that look naturally juicy. 11th. Korean hand. Your hands age fast. Don't ignore them. Massage Vaseline onto your hands and do a simple hand stretching exercise daily. Show this in your video. You'll get smoother, wrinkle-free, pretty hands in weeks. 12th. Walk barefoot on grass. Walking on grass with bare feet helps reduce stress and tension from your body. It also helps improve posture and grounds your energy. Plus, it's relaxing and free. 13. Nail glow. File your nails, clean your cuticles, and apply a drop of coconut oil. It gives a neat, elegant look without needing any polish. 14. Body shimmer. Hack mix a little highlighter or shimmer powder in your lotion and apply it on your collarbones, arms, or legs. You'll look radiant, especially in sunlight. 15. Make your bed. This might sound random, but making your bed first thing creates discipline and a clean vibe that helps you stay confident and calm all day. 16. Accessorize right. Add dainty accessories, a cute necklace, hoops, or a hair clip. These small details elevate your entire outfit without needing new clothes. 17. Walk like a queen. Fix your posture. Shoulders back, chin up, core tight. A confident walk can make people turn around, even if you're in sweatpants. 18. Speak kindly to yourself. Say this in the mirror. I am already enough. I am glowing from within. I deserve to feel pretty and confident every day. 19th. Set the vibe. Put on a chill playlist, light a candle, clean your space, and wear cozy clothes. You'll feel like the main character in a self-care movie. 20. Wind down like royalty. At night, cleanse your skin, tie your hair with a satin scrunchie, apply lip balm, and journal something you're proud of. Sleep early. Wake up looking and feeling like the girl who has her life together. If this video helped you feel inspired, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You never know. Your small support might be the reason someone else starts glowing, too. And let me know in the comments, which tip are you trying first?